This vacuum, two of these vacuums stopped working. I'm just diagnosing them and see what's going on. I took one apart completely and just trying to see what's actually wrong with it. And this one I figured out it was the power. It wasn't the switch. It wasn't the cord. It was actually the plug itself that was out. So I'm putting a new one in there. So I tested it out. Figured out that was the problem. Now all I gotta do is put a new outlet on there. Not an outlet, but a plug. Amend these two together. Want to get up close and personal? So I'll show them what I'm doing so they can see what's going on. So I'm gonna splice these two. And then I took a super cheap extension cord that I don't really use and I cut it off to use the actual plug itself. I don't have any extra ones. Usually I buy extra ones. I do have an extra one, but it's a 3-prong and I want to save that for something that's more powerful that needs a ground. So I'm just gonna splice these all open. The bigger one is the power, so that should go to the black. So we'll insert that. Insert the black together. Do a little twisty. Make sure it's nice and in there. Crimp it down. Crimp it down. Get in the middle really good. Now we're gonna do the neutral. Crimp. Crimp. Turn over. Crimp. Always test. It's good to go. Son of a bitch. The whole reason I took this apart was to take this out. And I did it all over again and I didn't take it out. I have to cut it again. God damn it. The reason I cut and start, get this out of here. Get that corn out of my face. You know what's the worst part about this? The dentures. Just come in and just suck your soul. Let's put this vacuum back together. Is there fucking change in here? I'm not 100% sure the plug's correct, so I'm gonna test it out first. It works, it works. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 screws in here. I'm gonna put the handle back together. This is the switch that goes to it. I rarely have to fix vacuums. When I do, it's not too bad. Bridges are very simple machines, so I don't mind. They do have a lifetime warranty, which is great, but I don't want to go through the hassle of being on the phone, talk to a representative, and then wait for my vacuum to come in or them deny me of replacing it. This happened before. Alright, this one's done, this one's fixed. Let's do this one from scratch so you guys can see what I'm doing. Because I just did that one and it was just the plug, I am going to try to see if this is the plug is the issue here. So let's just start off strong. Let's go to the table. I'm tired of sitting on the ground. So I plug it in. No power. And this one never replaced the cord before, so this could possibly be a reason. These are great. They're only like $5 or less. Harbor Freight. And you can just replace your plug whenever you need to. Let's get a fresh start. Alright, splice it. This little fuzzy thing, super annoying. I think it's just to give it strength. I wish it gave me strength. Alright, now that's out of the way, I'm just going to splice these open. That's so satisfying to me. I love splicing cords. If I could just do this all day for no damn reason, I would. Just splicing, just making a mess. You ever go to a restaurant and just, you have a straw and just ripping up the paper? Yep, that's what this is.
Put another 2-prong on there?
Let me see if this one works. It's already on here, so let me see if I could just use this. So this is a 3-prong, which isn't needed, but I already have it. The other one I just stole it. Stole it from a cord that I don't use anymore. Very cautious, I don't shock myself. So this isn't the power, unless it's the plug. I'm gonna get a new one.
Rob, you just got a new haircut?
No, he's going bald. It just falls off. He's old, dude.
What are you doing over here, bud?
Fixing vacuums.
Why do you gotta fix all these vacuums for?
That one, the cord is bad, so I replaced it. Now it works. And this, I'm hoping it's the cord or the plug itself.
Why'd you replace it so badly? Bud?
Why did I have to replace it so bad?
Yeah, it looks terrible. Looks like you did a terrible job.
Alright, so it's not the plug. So now we got 2 different problems. The other one's the plug, and this one's not the plug. So now, I've got to start from scratch. I don't know why they need so many screws. I think it's just gonna snap off randomly or something.
It's a big motor, dude.
What's up, B-Dog?
That's not his name, dude.
It's B-Dog's his name, trust me.
Dude, that's not his name.
Trust me, it's his name.
Bro, I was with him all day and he did not say his name was B-Dog.
He doesn't tell you his name is B-Dog.
Dude.
He did respond though, Rob.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about me saying, hey, B-Dog, and he goes, what's up? Bet you feel pretty dumb right now.
I'm annoyed.
I'd feel dumb if I were you.
No, yeah, you
But I'm
said
not
it.
you.
You said it, dude. You're dumb. You said it.
I'd feel dumb.
Nah, bro,
but
you already
I
said
don't.
it. You already said it, dude. You're dumb. It's easy.
He's reminding everybody he's the dart champion.
Oh, yeah, I beat Rob so many times. It was just too easy.
It's not true. It smells burnt.
Yeah. This thing's fried.
Oh, shoot.
You know how I know it's fried? Oh, this burnt shit is in here. Something's melted.
Yeah, it smells so
The
burnt.
motor fried. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. Worst case scenario, you just get a new motor. So this is like jammed.
That motor?
Oh, it's fried in there, dude.
Let me see.
Look at. See that gunk?
Oh, yeah. What?
Looks
the
like plastic got in there.
heck? Yeah, something definitely.
For
got in there.
educational purposes, let's just take it apart.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, damn. It's a long ass screw.
It's like a lag screw.
Holy smokes.
It's like burnt in there.
Yeah, that thing just burnt to crap.
Yeah. You see that? That's what it's not supposed to look like. It's like melted. Yeah, look at it. It melted in there. The plastic melted.
Let me see.
And it's stopping from spinning. It melted and it glued it together.
Yeah, that thing's tough too. Look, there it is. Oh, we might have action, baby. We might be back in business, boy.
I'm gonna break that off. Nope. It needs to go move freely. There's too much gunk in here.
Yeah, it's all at the bottom. Let's see if I get a poker.
Yeah, poke me. Give me a hook, out.
I got both of them. Semi-straight and a hook. Hey Brandon, make sure you turn off the water, huh? He flipped me off.
I turned it off. Someone must have turned it on because I literally turned it off.
Sure, Brandon.
I turned it.
I believe you, Brandon. I'm on your side.
I recorded. I don't know if they're off anymore.
I told him to turn off the water in the Kia, and he said he did. Then it began to flood.
Because I did.
That's why the water flooded.
No. I literally flipped the switch with that one hose that's only connected. And it stopped dripping.
I believe you, dog. I'm on your side.
That's what I'm saying.
It was him. He went.
It's a malfunction.
Yeah, it was probably malfunction.
Yeah, that has to be.
All right.
Wes doesn't.
I'm gonna have you plug it in. I'm gonna hold it.
Well, this sounds really dangerous, but let's do it.
Danger's my middle name.
Don't say that ever again. I feel like this is dangerous, me holding this. Oh, I got shocked.
I got shocked too.
Oh, I got shocked like a mug, dude. It went through my whole body. Dangerous, my middle name. Oh, I got shocked. I got shocked too. I gotta run to my mom's in a bit.
You're gonna run?
Yeah.
You're gonna go run?
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna jog over there? And run?
I hate this guy, dude.
You're gonna run? Huh? Do you like running?
I'm getting Rob. Can you not run?
You don't run, Rob?
Does it look like I run, dude?
You look like you should run and get that six-pack.
Oh, I'm gonna win that bet, dog.
We just made a competition. First person gets a six-pack wins. What do we win?
350
Money.
bucks. Gang, I'm gonna win that stop, boy. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy something cool that you want too. Like, what's your favorite? What do you want right now? I'm gonna go out and buy it with the money I win from you, and then I'm gonna break it in front of you, just cause it's not even my money.
This thing's a mess. So I'm gonna scrap these. I'm gonna steal the scraps, pretty much. Just put this back together.
Fish up.
I actually don't have to put it back together perfectly because it's already broken.
Order.
I'm not a hoarder, dude. I have to fix everything.
Can't fix my life.
Can you add
Nobody
this in
can,
West,
not even Jesus.
Kareem? And then just text him and be like, hey, we're sending someone out right now. Or someone's heading to don't say we're sending someone.
Go do something productive for the business.
You hear this guy? He's a bully.